Hello, 7th graders. Here is the PLP work for the month of February. So let's scroll down here, and our PLP section focus is our personalized learning and work experience section, and then your extracurricular, personal, and volunteer activities section. So we'll work on those, and then we're going to do a final activity related to community connections called Who's on My Team? So let's take a look at the calendar. And notice that we have the 14th to work on this PLP work, and then also we have a vacation in there, and then on February 28th we have some time to finish this work up. All right, now let's go to our PLP, and we're going to scroll down to the section that we're working on. So down here we will see our personalized learning and work experience section. So you're not going to have anything here for your summer PLP unless you do the summer program through ELP. But you may have a job that you are doing now. Maybe you're babysitting or maybe you're working on a farm, and you can enter that information in here. If you have done a personalized learning experience, maybe you've done a duo, you could enter that here. Or if you've done the personalized learning elective, you could enter that here as well. Now, if you have played sports, or if you have done clubs, or you are in a play outside of school or any extracurricular activity, you can enter that here. So we want to document those to show all of your activities for your high school career. Now, while we're right here, make sure that you've completed your middle school plan for at least 7th grade, and you could even enter in a few of the 8th grade things if you know some of the courses you could be taking next year, like a language, for example. Okay, so once you have all of that done, then you are going to work with your advisor, and you're going to do this activity. It's called Who's on Your Team activity. And we're working on community connections, and you'll have a discussion with your advisory group about asking for help and getting help, and how does that feel? And you're going to brainstorm a list of people in your school and community that support you or could support you. Once you have had that discussion and that brainstorm, then you're going to go ahead and get a copy of this My Team template. And the goal here is to identify your support team. So you'll add in names of people who can support you or do support you, and then you'll just explain briefly how they help you or how they could help you. So fill in as few as 4 of these boxes, but you could fill in this entire grid and really look at all of the people that support you. And then once you have that completed, you are going to come down here and write a brief reflection and answer some of these questions down here. Now, once you have this done, you'll go ahead and copy the link. And then you will go back to your PLP and scroll all the way back up to the top. And then you're going to see down here in this personal profile supporting documents, this My Supports area. Now you can highlight the grade 7 label, and then you'll come up here to link, and then you'll go ahead and paste that link in there. And then you have now entered your team and that evidence for your PLP into your PLP. So that is your mission for the rest of this month. Have a wonderful vacation and have a great rest of February, and I'll see you in March. Thanks.